Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the MineLab latest version script 3.2. So in this video I am gonna completely guide you how you can make this MineLab website within just 15 minutes. So be with us and watch this video till the end, and I will completely install this MineLab script on our server as well. First of all, I'll give you the complete review and then we will completely make our this mining website. So let me tell you that it has 3 different templates. So if you want to buy this MineLab latest version script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp and Telegram links are in description. So you can contact us and buy this script from us at a very reasonable price, and we will also provide you complete support with it. So you don't need to worry about it. So if you want us to build the complete website for you, like domain, hosting, everything, we will manage it. So viewers, let's start this video. First of all, here you can look at its amazing home page. It has 3 different templates as well. So we will explore them as also. So here each and everything, logo, text, that is images that is on the home page are changeable. Here you can see there is option of start mining. So it's a mining website. So basically user can invest their money in different mining plans and earn some commission over that. Here user profit calculator, so user can calculate its mining plan, mining profit according to the plan. Here you can add about your business or your website. Here you can list how it works, like create account, choose plan, start mining, and get your mining output. Here you can list the frequently asked questions section, and basically you can completely manage each and everything from the admin panel. You don't need any coding knowledge to control it. Here you can see a transaction log of different customers. So you can also remove these sections as well from admin panel. Here you can see that there is a services section. So you can list your services. Here are a plan section, the most important plan. Here you can see different mining plans, ADI, Ethereum, BTC mining plan. So here you can see all the mining plans and their returns and their complete detail over here. So this is how you can create as many as plans you want from admin panel, and user can buy these plans according to the money they have. Here you can also insert the blogs from admin panel. Here you can list all the special features of your website. Here you can list your client testimonials in this section, and here is the footer section. You can change each and everything that is on the home page of website or on the website. User can also visit these pages separately, like about us, mining, blog, and contact page. So this is how user can visit these pages separately. So this is the contact page. As you can see, you can list your all details of your website or your contact details over here, so people can contact you. There are currently 3 languages: English, Bangla, and German language, but you can change the language from admin panel, and you can insert as many as languages you want. So now we'll go to register page and we will register our account. So here user can come to this page. So by filling these simple details, user can register its account. Now we currently already have an account, so I'm not gonna register. We'll just log into our account. Viewers, this is currently the demo, but at the end of the video we will completely install the script on our domain, and I completely show you how you can make this website. So be with us and watch this video till the end. Here I'll enter my email, and here I'll enter my password so we can easily log into our account. So fill the reCAPTCHA, and now when I click on login, it will log me in. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into the user panel of this website. First of all, here you can see the total balance on your website. Here you can see total referral bonus. So it has a very amazing user panel. So here when we will go to mining, here you can see all the mining plans on the website. Go to start mining and you can see all the mining plans, and user can invest in these plans. Here you can track the mining from this section, and here's the referral section. So you can go to my referrals and you can see all the referral section that people do you refer. So here's your referral link. You can refer different people using your own this link. You can see all your referral log. This is a wallet section. So you can see all your different wallets in the website. Here you can withdraw your money using any of the gateway from withdraw section. So this is a withdraw section. So currently we don't have any balance, so we cannot withdraw, and this is a demo, so we cannot withdraw our money. Here's the payment logs. So you can see all the payment logs on the website. You can see all the transaction logs, and here you can change your profile details. So you can change each and everything you want. You can change your password, turn on 2FA, and you can also contact the admin using support tickets. So you can generate the tickets from here. So this is the simple user panel of this website, viewers. Now we will go to the admin panel of this website, and I'll show you how you can completely control this website from the admin panel. So I'm directly going to the admin dashboard. So here currently I'm on the admin login page. So here we have to enter our details in order to log in. So details are already entered, so I'll fill the reCAPTCHA and click on login, and it will log me into my admin dashboard. So it has a very amazing admin dashboard. You can view it over here. So you can see all the total users on the website, total active users, total email unverified user, mobile unverified user, total miners, total mining plans, total users, investments on the website, and you can also see the latest graphs of the investments. So viewers, this was a demo, so we will completely install this script as well. So on our domain, so first of all, here you can see the different users on the website. So I'm just quickly demonstrating all the functionalities of the website. Here you can edit all the users on the website, so you can edit all the details of user. Here you can add or subtract balance from users account from this section, and from here you can add balance, from here you can subtract balance. Similarly, you can verify the KYCs and mobile verification, email verification. You can verify them from here, and you can see all the emails and all the user related activities over here, and you can send the notifications to users as well. From miner section, you can create the miner like BTC miner, Ripple miner, XRP, ADI, Ethereum, whatever miner you want to create. Click on add new, and you can easily create the miner by filling these simple details. Here is mining plans. From here you can see all already existing plans over here on the website, so you can edit the plans as well. Suppose I want to edit it, so I can edit the plan as well, and I can change the details to whatever details I want. But if I want to create a new plan, go to add new, enter the title, enter the miner or whatever miner you want to insert on this plan, select the price of plan, return commission fix, or you want to give the random profit to users. Here you can select the return per day, speed of miner, period, maintenance cost, and you can easily make the plan by filling these simple details. If you buy from us, we will provide you complete support with it, so you don't need to worry about anything. So you can contact us on WhatsApp, both WhatsApp or Telegram, and we will provide you the complete detail about it. Here is a mining track section, so you can track the complete investments in different plans, and you can view all the mining progress over here. And you can also go to details and you can manage it, see it. Here in payment section, so you can when user will send you a deposit request, the request will come here and you can approve it or reject it. So this is for manual deposit, but if the deposit method is auto, user can instantly recharge his account. Here's a withdrawal section, so you can approve or reject the withdrawal request of users. So this is all about the withdrawal request, so you can verify or approve or reject the withdrawal request of users. Here is the system settings. From general settings, basically you can change the name of website, colors, base colors of the website, site colors. If you want to change them, you can change them. You can change the currency of website to any of your local currency. You can change the preloader name and other things. Here is the logo and favicon section. So from here you can change the logo and favicon of the website, and you can insert any logo you want of your choice. So we'll go back, and here from system configuration you can change the main settings of the website, like you can turn on off user registration, force SSL, KYC settings, email verification. You can turn them on off, SMS notifications, you can manage them from here. And this is the referral section, you can turn on off referral commission as well. So from payment gateways, you can manage all the payment gateways. So here you can see that there are all the automatic payment gateways are here, so like Binance, Skrill, Paytm, PayPal, all these gateways are here. You can use them in a way you want. But if you want to create the manual gateway, so you can go to manual gateway here and click on add new. So by filling these simple details, we can create a new gateway on the website. So here you can create any of the local payment gateway of your country. So by filling these details, you can create the manual gateway easily on the website. So here you can manage the KYC setting. Here are the referral settings. You can manage the front end of your website. So go to manage front end. From here you can manage the complete front end of your website. Like here you can see there's a banner section, so we can edit the banner. So here, this is how you can see all these images and textures here, so we can edit each and everything we want. So we'll go back, and every section that is on the website, all the sections are showing here, so you can edit any of the section of your choice you want. Here is about us section, so you can edit the about us section, images, whatever is on it, you can edit and manage it. Here you can manage all the pages. Here's a template section. As I told you, there are 3 templates in it. So you can see these are 3 templates, like gold, basic and dark template. So you can use any of the template you want. Currently I'm using the dark template, but to change the template you just have to click on select, and you can easily select or change the template. So we'll go back. Here you can manage the complete settings of your website, like language, extensions, policy pages. You can manage them from here. So this was all about the website demo. So we will now go to our hosting server, and I'll completely create the website from the scratch. So be with us and watch this video till the end. To buy this script, you can contact us on WhatsApp. And viewers, do like the video and subscribe to our channel as well. So to install this MineLab latest version script, what you have to do is you have to log into your Hostinger HPanel or cPanel that you are using. The installation process will remain the same on both cPanel or HPanel, so the interface may be different. So we'll go to File Manager. So you also have to go to your File Manager. So it will redirect me to my public HTML folder. So here is our public HTML folder. So we'll go to it, and I will install this on my subdomain. So this is my subdomain, and I will install my script over here. So as you can see, I've already uploaded my script to my subdomain, but you have to first upload the script from here, so then you can install it. So to buy the script, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. So we'll extract all the files into root directory. Click on extract, and it will extract all the files. So all the files are extracted successfully. So you have to go inside this file folder and move all the files into root directory. So all the files are moved to root directory. Now we'll go to our domain. So we have to go to your domain. So this is our domain, and let me tell you, this script is for multiple domains and you can use it on multiple domains. Here click on I agree, next step, and we have to give all these permissions. So we'll quickly give all the permissions. So just 775 permissions. So we have to just quickly give all these permissions. So we'll just do it quickly. Click on update. Similarly, these 3 are remaining. So we'll give permission to app, framework and logs. Framework and logs. So now we also have to change the PHP version. So we'll just quickly change PHP version from this section. So now we'll go to this section, and now when I will refresh, it will redirect me to next page. So I'll refresh it. All the requirements are passed. Click on next step. Here we have to fill all our database details. So we'll just quickly go and we will create the database from here. So here let's create the database. So I'm just giving this name, but you can use any of the name for database, and here you have to enter your password for your database. Click on create, and it will create the database. So after this we will just quickly copy this name of database, and we will go to this section and we will paste database name and username. Enter the host that you are using, and here after that enter your admin credentials. Click on install now, and it will install your script. So here you can see that our script has installed successfully. Now when I click on go to website and activate, it will redirect me to my subdomain. So now here you can see that so our website has created successfully, as you can see it. So this is a third theme, the default one, so you can see that. Similarly, you can change theme from admin panel. So viewers, here you can see that it is installed on our subdomain on which we just installed it. And similarly, you can log in or register on the website easily. So viewers, if you want to purchase this website or if you want us to build this complete website for you, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram and we will build what you want. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.